Are we live, doubles? Money, 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 money. Money, money. Money, 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 money. Money, money, money check, money check. Money check, money check. Doubles, are we live? Are we live? I'm gonna have my coffee while you get ready. I'm gonna have my coffee, bro. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, doubles. Ooh, ooh, doubles. Bricks, bricks, bricks. Let me know if we're live, if we're live. Let me know, will ya? Will you let me know? We live, doubles? You still checking, bro? What is going on here? Look at this. Look at this, doubles. Holofoil hour, July 11th, 1 p.m. for 2 hours. Oh, that's going to be during the weekend power play show. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Shine bright, holofoil. Sprite variants are appearing more often across the island. Equip a holofoil sprite to find rare sprite variants in the chest more often. Active from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time. And 9 to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oh, interesting. We got something to do tomorrow, doubles. We got something to do. Are we live? Are we live, doubles? Yes or no?
I think we're live.
How come you didn't check?
I can't check.
Huh?
I can't.
Why?
It's not letting me.
It's not letting you check. Why? What happened?
Because it's not.
All right, I'll check. I'm going to check. Hold on. Please hold. Please hold.
It's like, YouTube's unresponsive, man.
I don't know what's going on, man. All right, I'm going to check myself, bro. I'm going to check myself, bro. Checking, checking. Checking, checking. Checking, doubles. Checking. Well, we're live on the Twitter. Are we live on the Twitch? Are we live? Are we live on the Twitch? Are we live? Hold on. We live on the Twitch. We live on the Twitch. Are we live on the YouTube? Are we live on the YouTube? Oh my goodness, that's not me. That's not me. Doubles. I'm checking right now. Yeah, we live. We live, doubles. We live, doubles. All right, we're live. We're live. All right, I can do the intro, doubles. You ready? Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one and only DBL Nicks in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby. The Rainmaker, and we are live. Joab's in the house. What's going on, Banger Nation? And he says, we are live on the YouTube. Let's go. Thank you, Joab. Joab Money. Joab Money. 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 Let's go, baby. Let's go. How about some Joab bricks? I always like when Joab gets bricks, bro. Bricks for Joab. Come on now. That coffee is awesome, doubles. Did you get your situation fixed here? What are you rebooting your computer?
Yep.
All right. Well, you do that. I'm going to talk about stocks right now. I'm going to talk about a ticker that ran yesterday pretty aggressive. It's currently up 79%. Ticker symbol JZXN. JZXN. Right over here, JZXN. And we can see that it has pulled back. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our custom scanners. Folks, this is the Power Play show where we combine getting ready for the power hour between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for trading. At that point, we look at stocks that we think might have a chance of running, and get ourselves situated with that. That's the power portion of it, getting ready for the power hour. And the play portion of it is, while we know that there's still a long time before the power hour starts, an hour and 25 minutes, we know that it's going to be a low volume type of time frame. So what we do is we go ahead and get some victory royales in Fortnite, and we call it getting dubs for the community, getting wins for the community, for the winner. Banger Nation! Banger Nation! Makes me want to celebrate. Celebrate, love. Celebrating with the Banger Nation. Doubles! I'm just saying. But let's go back to the stock over here. Let's go back to this ticker. This ticker started running yesterday pretty much. JZXN. It's a Chinese stock. The company's trading higher. Once it announced that it intended to sign a cooperation agreement with a company specializing in AI intelligence imaging and data platform technology. So that's the catalyst. But what ultimately ended up happening is it double topped over here. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. You can see that there's a top over here, a top over here, and then the sell-off. Now it's consolidating at this point, but it really truly needs to get above the volume weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated again and put the VWAP at $2.47. This is going to be a significant resistance area that the price action needs to break through. We see that there's consolidation on the relative strength index, the RSI. That means that neither buyers nor sellers are controlling the stock. We need to see this RSI start to push to the upside like this, and of course we want to also see volume candles come in over here. And last but not least, we want to see the price action and the VWAP break through the resistance at the volume weighted average of $2.47. You still having problems with your computer? Is it just YouTube or?
Yep.
Oh, okay. What about X? Check X, bro. Check it. Is it just YouTube? A YouTube thing? It looks like it's just a YouTube thing, right?
Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that.
All right. Well, we're talking about JZXN doubles, just so you know, and we want to see it break the VWAP at $2.47. Sensa. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at another ticker, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at a runner that ran earlier this morning. Again, it was a pretty choppy run. We noticed it, but it was choppy. I didn't feel comfortable trading it. Again, another China stock, currently up 101%. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the custom scanners from the private Discord, which provides us with very pertinent information, specifically volume and float. We can see that the float is very low at 2 million. That's the supply of shares that are available for trading. The volume is 124 million. Those are the amount of shares that have actually exchanged hands. So you can see that the number is quite high. It's actually a 62% rotation ratio. Not 62%, but a 62x rotation of volume to float, which is very high. And the stock did go up 101%. Currently, it went higher than that earlier in the day, but you could see it formed a head and shoulders pattern. Here's the head. Here's the shoulder. There's the shoulder, and there's the sell-off right over here. There's the sell-off. Right now, the price action is still below the volume-weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. The VWAP is at $4.53. If you're new to trading, the volume weighted average pretty much acts as a general principle of what's bullish or bearish. If the price action is above the VWAP, that's usually deemed to be a bullish type of a signal. If the price action is below the VWAP, that's generally perceived to be a bearish signal. Now, obviously, there's a lot more to it than just that, but that's the general principle of the volume weighted average. There's more to the explanation of it, but if you're new to trading, that gives you, some kind of context of what the volume weighted average does. By the way, folks, this is a show. We are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. Your trades are your own. Always do your own due diligence. Yes, sir. Doubles. Yes, sir. All right. Let's continue. But by the way, if you're enjoying the show, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on the YouTube channel at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. Make sure you got your notifications on and comment and share. It helps the stream grow. And if you If you go ahead and put your notifications on, you'll never miss a show. We have a bunch of shows Monday through Friday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have the Power Play show, which is what you're watching right now. And on Saturday, we have the weekend edition of the Power Play show, where we get a watch list ready for the following trading day, which is usually Monday. That's at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturdays. And of course, we got the strictly stock-oriented show called Microcap Mornings, where my illustrious co-host, the one and only DBL Nixon in the house, and his cohort, the huntress of all things parabolic, the one, the only, DBL Moms, are constantly on the carousel to find parabolic runners pre-market into the early hours of regular trading. So make sure you check them out at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the Microcap Morning Show. Make sure you have your notifications on the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. That's right. Okay, you're going to also want to follow us on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Money.
At Coach Nick Money. A ton of great content on X.com. A lot of followers on X.com. A lot of followers on YouTube, and we're getting bigger and bigger every day on Twitch, bigger and bigger every day on the TikTok, and bigger on Facebook, Instagram, and Thread every day. So go ahead and check us out on all of them platforms. Why not? Why not, doubles? Why not? So this is the story with GMM. Let's move to the next ticker. Let's take a look at ticker symbol NVVE. NVVE. Let's get a share party. We're at 60, folks. Let's get to 100, then 200, 300, 400. Let's get it going. Joab, how'd you make out today? Did you trade today, or did you stay on the sideline? There weren't that many great opportunities today. Not that many today. You know, the market was a little come see. How should I say it? Come sa. Right? It was like a little boring a little bit, you know. There were stocks that moved, but they moved in such a choppy way that it didn't feel particularly shamexy, you know what I mean? But I know a couple of folks made some money. They just got paid. They got paid with a couple of tickets. You know, like for example, this morning GMM made money for some folks, and I think JZXN made some money for some folks. JZXN. I keep messing things up, bro. I'm tired, bro. You know. Doubles, I'm tired, bro. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
You feel me, right? Need some coffee, bro. I need some coffee. All right, so NVVE. Again, this stock moved quite aggressively earlier in the day, but then sold off. No particular news that I'm noticing. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and visit the custom scanner area, and I could see that this is a micro mini float of 521,000 shares, very low supply of shares that are tradable, and a 16 million volume rotation, So you have almost a 32x volume to float rotation, which is very high. No news, unfortunately. The stock's a little bit more on the pricey side, and it's currently up 51%. But you can see, if I get the graffiti pencil activated, that the price action moved up, and then it hit this pinnacle, and it formed a head and shoulders pattern. Here's the shoulder, and there you go. Get that thing out of the way. Get it out of the way. Right? So shoulder, head, price action sells off, and it's still trending downward. It needs to break that downtrend. It needs to break this downtrend right here and start moving upward to become schmexy to me. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated, and let's put a line where the volume weighted average is. It's at $16.24. That is going to be a significant resistance area for this stock. We see that even the RSI continues to push downward towards the oversold area. This is also a bearish signal, and obviously we still have a long time to go before power hour starts, and you can see that the volume candles have dipped significantly. We have an hour and 15 minutes before power hour, so there's a need for volume. Joab said, I got some GMM earlier in the morning. Joab made some bricks, some Joab bricks, bro. He made some bricks. Joe had money. Joe had money. Doubles.
Yes.
Joe had money. Joe had money.
Joe money, Joe money.
No, you're supposed to say money, 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 money.
Yeah.
Joe had money. Joe had money. Money, money, money. Doubles. You're missing the cue, bro. You're missing the cue. You're missing the cue,
I'm
bro.
mixing my stuff here.
Come on, bro. Joe had money. Joe had money. Money, 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 money. Money. Bro.
Ah!
Come on, man. Come on. We got a show going on here.
Yeah.
Come on. Ready? Here we go. Joe had money. Joe had money. Money, 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 money. 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 Like that, bro. Bricks. Bricks. Now I'm happy. All right. That's better. That's better, doubles. That's better. All right, let's take a look at the next ticker. Let's take a look at the next one, right? Let's do it. Look at all that gold falling down. It's raining gold, baby. It's raining. It's raining, I tell you. All right, let's go to ticker symbol ZBAO. 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 Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. And it's a China stock. Zimbao Technology. Zimbao Technology. Refresh this thing. It's getting all hung up. Why are you getting all hung up? Oh, doubles, why does it do this to me? Doubles, why does it do this? Why? It's so problematic. I don't understand it. It bothers me. Okay, so first things first, we see that the volume weighted average is at the 60-cent mark. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. 60 cents is the volume weighted average. The volume weighted average, which is key resistance area for the price action right now, which is currently at 41 cents. The stock's currently up 40%, but you can see it's thickly traded. If I get myself my graffiti pencil and go to the RSI, you can see that it is very tightly bound towards the center area. So we really need to see a breakout of the RSI to the upside, and of course a curl in the price action and a break of the VWAP at 60 cents. Aside from that, it don't look too good right now. It moved earlier. You could see that. It had a pinnacle right over there at around $1 and change, but after that it sold off. It sold off, doubles. It's a 12 million float stock, and it had a ton of volume. You can see it on the custom scanners from the private Discord. 12 million float. Volume was 288 million, 288 million. But, there was this big sell-off. So we'll see what happens with that. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, if you want to access our private Banger Nation Discord community, gain access to an incredible suite of scanners, awesome news and research tools for the entire stock market. Great community. The community is off the hook. The Banger Nation private Discord is mwah, mwah, mwah. Chef kisses, bro. Chef kisses, bro. You know what I'm talking about, doubles?
Yes.
Like that, bro. Like that. There's a link in the description for a 4-day trial. Go ahead and click the link. It's $9.99. I think you're going to love it. Not like it. Love it.
Yes.
Click the link and then let us know you saw us on the stream. We love hearing from you. And if you want to save a couple of dollars, you can actually also take advantage of the limited time offer that we have for the quarterly package for the memberships that gets billed every 3 months, and you get a huge discount on the price. So the link is in the description and the pinned comment for that as well. And of course, don't let me forget, doubles. We gotta show them. We gotta show them the link to the Banger Nation merch store, so you can get yourself some swag. Why not? Why not? The link's in the description and in the pinned comment for that as well. And of course, remember that on X.com we are CoachNickMoney.
Yes. Felix.
At CoachNickMoney.
At CoachNickMoney.
At CoachNickMoney. And of course, we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at CoachNickMoney.
At CoachNickMoney.
Twitch at CoachNickMoney.
At CoachNickMoney.
And YouTube. Oh no, I already said YouTube. I already said YouTube at TikTok, right? At TikTok, we're at DBLNix.
At DBLNix.
At DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. We got almost 100 folks in the stream. Let's get to 200. Let's go. Let's get it done. Let's go check out Snail, SNAL, and it is trending up. First thing we're going to do is take a look at it on the custom scanners. We could see right over here that it's a 3 million float stock, so it's on the low side. Unfortunately, the volume is even lower than the float. We don't generally like that. It's only 2 million. Price is pretty reasonable. It's within my trading area, $5.09, $5.06. But it's currently up only 29%. It is generally trending upwards, so if we get the graffiti pencil activated, If we get it activated, we can see that the price action is on an uptrend. It is on an uptrend. However, all of this is happening on light volume. It's currently up 28%, so it's not really my cup of tea. It's kind of moving at a snail's pace. See how I did that? SNAL, Ella, baby. Huh. All right, let's take a look at YMAT. Let's take a look at it. It's J Star Holding Company. J Star Holding Company. This is a Taiwanese company. Volume weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Is at $2.51 right over here, and the price is just below it. We need to see this price start to pierce through the volume weighted average. That's going to be a significant resistance area. But, what we notice is that the RSI seems to be pushing downward towards the oversold area, which is actually a bearish signal. We need to see that reverse and start pushing upward. And of course, the volume candles have dipped as we wait for power hour, and we are in a slower part of the day, if you will. So that's a story with J Star Holding. It needs to break the VWAP at $2.51. And I think it's time, Doubles, to get a victory royale for the community. What do you think, Doubles? Should we do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. But before we do that, I want to take a look at my inventory of sprites, Doubles. You know what I mean? First, I'm going to check my rewards, because, they have a reward system for us high-level aficionados of sprites, Doubles. And you can see that I'm getting all my rewards. I've mastered 30 of my sprites, Doubles. Yes, I have, Doubles, because I do that because I'm a master of mastering my sprites, bro. Look at that. Look at that little water guy. Look at him. Got bubbles coming out of your head. Ha! 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 I'm just saying, bro. Look, I got all of these guys. All of them are 5, except for this fella. He ain't 5. What is he? He's a galaxy sprat, bro. And what about this guy? This is a holofoil sprat, bro. A holofoil. Oh my! Gain 30% more ammo whenever you pick him up in the world. 5% chance of your squad to find rare sprite variants from loot chest. Oh my! Look at the ghost sprite, bro. The ghost sprite's a level 3, bro. Oh my! But I already made him into a master. See, he's got a little crown over there, bro. That's one of my favorite sprites, by the way. Doubles. It really is. Yeah. No, for real, bro. For real. I'm not kidding, bro. For real. This burnt one over here, the burnt peanut. He an ugly fella, bro. But let's not say that, because I don't want to make him feel bad or nothing. But he kind of ugly, bro. And what are you doing with that cap, bro? That cap makes you look silly, bro. Makes you look silly. Why you got a propeller on your head, bro? You're not gonna fly away. You too heavy for that. You need some vitamins, bro. You need some vitamins and some lettuce, bro. Come on now. You can't take off like that. Nah, that propeller ain't big enough. I'm just saying. It's not big enough. Nah. Somebody got to be honest with them. I know I sound mean, but I'm not trying to hurt your feelings. I'm just trying to tell you something, bro. And work on your skin, bro. Your skin is kind of like, I don't know, you look like a peanut, bro. You know what I'm saying? You look like a peanut, bro. You look like a peanut, bro. Look at him. Look, you look like a peanut.
I think that's the point.
I don't know, bro. I mean, the other ones, most of the other sprites are cute, bro. Not all of them. Some of the sprites are not so cute. Like, this one's not that cute, bro. This one looks like a chalkboard, bro. Looks like a chalkboard, bro. You know what I'm saying? A chalkboard, bro. A chalkboard, bro. Don't you speak English, bro? What is wrong with you?
What type of English is that?
I don't know. Leave me alone. I'm gonna go take a look at ticker symbol JZXN, and it still needs to curl. GM, Nah. How about we take a look at PMA? We haven't looked at PMA. PMA is just above the volume weighted average of $1.67. RSI is indifferent, but it is above the VWAP. Let's give it a Fibonacci retracement so that we can take a look at some key levels of support and resistance for ticker symbol PMA. It is another China stock, Ming Xing Group Holdings, and it is holding at the Fibonacci level of $1.74. Resistance will be at around the psychological level of $2. Let's get that share party going on. We're almost up to 200 folks in the stream. Let's get it going, Banger Nation. I know we got this. Let's go, baby. All right, which one should I work on, doubles? Which sprite should I try to elevate, bruh? I gotta master a couple of these fellas. Which one? Let's see. Is there one that's floating around that needs to be mastered? That's close to being mastered? Nah, I got all the ones that were close, doubles. Now these other ones, they ain't close. I don't know. What do you think, bro? Let what does the peanut? I don't know. This guy? What does this guy do? What does he do? He grants a random item at each level exploding with legendary. Let's do this guy. Why not? Let's do him. Let's go. All right, here we go, doubles. Build solo. Let's do it. Let's get the victory royale for the community. Doubles, I just want to share with you a low volume mover, right, is PLBL. Paul Larry Basketball Larry, right? PLBL. Currently up 30% on light volume. Light volume. All right. Market's a little slower today. You know, it's Friday. You know what I mean? A lot of times on Friday, people going out. It's the summertime. It's July 10th, the week after the 4th of July. You know, people going and having barbecues on the beach. They're marinating themselves on the sand, dipping into the blue waters. In some places it's turquoise, in certain places it's aquamarine. You know what I'm saying, doubles? Sometimes it's emerald green too, bro. You know? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get away from me, man. Get away from my Sprite, bro. Get away from my Sprite, bro. Look at this guy taunting me, bro. What's wrong with you? Get out of here, bro. Yo, these people bother me, man. Leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want you looking at my Sprite. Get away from me. Stop stalking, bro. They got stalkers this season, bro. I don't like it, bro. I don't like it at all, bro. Nah. Can't have none of that, bro. Can't have none of that. All right, here we go. We're off. We're off to get a dub for the community, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Power Play. Yes, sir. Let's get that victory royale for the community. We're at 196 folks. Let's get it over to the 200 mark. Do a little share party for me, if you don't mind. If you don't mind. Doubles, you know what's also moving? Ticker symbol P. M as in Mary, A as in Alpha, PMA. It is a low floater currently up 38%, and this is a stock that in the past has moved quite aggressively. I just figured I'd point that out. Will it move aggressively today? I don't know. It's Friday, bro. You know, there's not a lot of volume in the market right now, but you never know. Because when you least expect it, you know what I'm saying, doubles? Sometimes you gotta expect it. You know what I'm saying, doubles?
Yes.
I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying. I'm going to my duck yacht, bro. I hope nobody bothers me because I'm heading to my ducky, bro. I'm heading to the duck. I'm heading to the duck, bro. Well, I'm gonna be a little low, bro. I'm gonna be a little low, bro. Somebody's on top, bro. Somebody's on top, bro. Ooh, the Pop Rocks, bro. The Pop Rocks, bro. Love them. I don't like them. I love my Pop Rocks, bro. Ooh, my shut the gun. Where you at, fool? Where you at, buddy? I know you up here, bro. Where you at now? Where you at, buddy? Where's the beef, bro? Where's the beef? Ooh. Ooh. All right. Let's go, doubles. Let's get this done, bro. Let's get it done, bro. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, bro. What the heck was that? I didn't mean to do that. I got stuff, doubles. I got stuff, bro. I got me some stuff, doubles. I got some loot. Now, I know there was somebody around here. I don't know where they went, bro. You know, I know they're trying to, like, hide and be fugazi. You know, and ambush me or something, bro. I know they're doing something sinister, bro. I know they are. I feel it in my bones, I tell you. I feel it in my bones, Doubles. Where are these sinister creatures? Where they at? I don't know. Oh, look at the little fella. Hi, fella. Ow. He squeals, bro. Do you know that they squeal, bro? For real, they do, bro. They do. Alright, I should probably pop this little feature right here, bro. Yes, sir. Get my little med kits ready for the storm. You know, sometimes we gotta kind of congregate during the storm, you know. There we go. Alright. Where was this guy, bro? Where was he? Where did the guy go? Where'd he go, Doubles? Where'd he go? Look at that. Look at that. I got this guy already. Look at it. You know what? I'm gonna get this thing right here, bro. This thing is OP, bro. The suitcase, the turret, bro. OP, brother. Alright, I don't... Oh, my game's getting stuck. Doubles, what happened, bro? What happened? What happened, bro? Alright. I don't see the enemy, bro. Do you? But I do see the ducky, bro. I see the ducky, bro. And I'm gonna have myself a ducky. Ooh, el duque! El duque, bro. El duque! Alright, alright. Come on. Let's get that. Ooh, look at they got these little pop rock things over here, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Quack, 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 whatever the heck it's called, bro. Quack, whatever the heck it's called. Bobo Beeps, what's up? What's happening? Lima Charlie. What's going on? What's going on? Getting a victory royale for the community here. Let's go, baby. He said, what's up, Joab? Righteousness wants to know about SUNE on X.com. We will check it out as soon as we get back from the quest for a victory royale for the community. Because that's what we're looking to do. Get a victory royale for the community. Yes, sir. And then you go ahead and check out the stones. You know what I mean, Doubles? Check them out. Check them out, I tell you. Ooh. 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 Give me that. Bro, I love them pop rocks. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. The pop rocks are the joint, bro. They are awesome. They are awesome sauce. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, Doubles? They are very, very good. Oh, look, he's hiding, bro. Poor fella's scared of me, bro. Don't worry about it. I'm not trying to hurt you. Don't worry about it, little sprite boy. I got you. I'm not trying to hurt you. Doubles NVVE moving 54%. Did I mention percenta, bro? Did I mention it, bro? Ooh, look, it's got the little thingamajigs right here, bro. Look. Let's get this thing. Why not? Boom. Boom, chicka-lucka. Eat it, bro. There you go. Alright, let's get out of here, bro. Woo! Woo! Fella! Oh, dude. Why did I extract him? What happened? I don't understand what just happened. I don't know, but he got extracted. I don't know. I thought I mastered him, bro. Maybe because I ate that thing, bro? Could that be it? I don't know. What happened? Did I leave something down below? Bro, I think I left something below, bro. Yo, I don't know all of these things here. What's going on over here, bro? Yeah, bro, look. I think I left something down there, bro. I think I did, bro. Ooh, doubles! Double X, bro. Double, bro. Double. Look at that. Oh, you know why? Because I mastered the fella, bro. I mastered him, bro. Double Nicks, come on, bro. Come on, Double Nicks. Come on now.
Why are you betting your life?
Come on. What happened? No. Oh, I could take another Sprite with me, can't I? I can, right? Let me do that, bro. Let me get this little fella, right? Which Sprite are you talking about, though? No, this one, right? No. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna take the Sprite and send them home, bro. Why not, bro? Oh my goodness, doubles! Let's go, baby! Baby, baby, baby. No, I don't need no more of that. Alright, let's go up. Alright, dude, I kind of like the fact that that Sprite got mastered, bro. Look at all the goodness and lusciousness I got, bro. You see it, bro? Yeesh, yeesh, I tell you. Yeesh. Alright, alright. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? Pop this little sucker right here. I don't want to get caught in the storm, doubles. I don't want to get caught in the storm, you know what I mean, bro? Alright, let's get a little med kit. Boom, like that. And let's get out of here, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, alright. I got the technology, bro. Alright, let's get out of here, doubles. What do you think? I should have upgraded my pistol, but that's alright. It's alright. The storm is not cooperating too much, bro. It's not cooperating, bro. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. Alright, we got heals, though. Doubles, we got heals, bro. We do, I tell ya. Get some more med kits, SUNE, 4 million float, float, 55 million volume, up 32%, and we're gonna go ahead and check out. We're gonna go and check out the chart after the show. Yes, we are. Alright, alright, alright. Maybe I could grab this boat, man. What do you think, bro? You know what I didn't get? Doubles, I didn't get my jabooties, bro. I want my jabooties, bro. Can we get our jabooties, bro? Oh, look at all this lusciousness in here. Oh my, what is all this, bro? What is all this, bro? Oh my goodness, look at this, bro. Oh my gracious, oh my gracious. Oh my gracious. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's get out of here, doubles. Let's get out of here. You know what I gotta get? I gotta get those pop rock things, bro. You know? That's what I'm thinking, bro. Let's see, let's see. Alright, let's see. Medkit. Do they have the pop rocks, doubles? They got the pop rocks? Yes or no? They got the booties. I want my booties, bro. I want my booties, bro. How about... Oh, these guys right here? I do want them, bro. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Yep. And this right here. Pop it real quick. Get ourselves going. Yes, sir. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright. Come on, man. There we go. Alright, doubles. Alright, doubles. What are we doing here? Alright. Doubles. Double X. You ready, bro? Doubles, doubles, troubles, buddy. Alright, we're in zone, bro. Alright, already. Ooh, we gotta go over here, bro. Look at the zone, bro. There's an enemy vehicle right there, bro. See it? Did you see it? Uh-huh. Enemy vehicle, bro. Enemy, bruh. We got enemies everywhere. Enemies everywhere, bruh. What's going on over here? You know what? I'm gonna go over here real quick. You know why? I wanna upgrade my pistole, bro. My pistole. Can I upgrade it? Can I upgrade it? Is it still available? Is my upgrader still available? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Let's go. Upgrade 1, or 2, or 3. How about again, bro? 3. Right there, bro. Upgrade it. Alright. Alright, doubles. How we doing, doubles? How we doing? How many folks we got? We got 4 enemies, guys. 4. Alright, we're gonna look at SUN for our boy Righteous Nas. SUNE. Sun Nation Energy Stock. Oh, we got an enemy over here. Dummy. Come here, dummy. What happened, bro? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? He got a headache. Poor fella. Ooh, look, somebody else got a headache over here too, bro. No, I'm the only constipated noise. They constipated, bro. Cause I was beating him in Fortnite 90. He went sleepy in 90. That's what happened, bro.
You just farted a little bit when you did that.
I did not, bro.
Okay.
Nah, I didn't, bro.
Okay.
Bro, I gotta pay attention, bro. Don't interrupt me, doubles. Don't do it, bro. Don't. I had to like eliminate that fella, bro. He was bothering me, son. He bothered me, son. You feel me? Can't have none of that, bro. Nah, cause he needed to get spanky, bro. I had to give him a little spanky, son. He needed some of that, bro. Whoa! What happened? What happened, bro? What are you doing? Why are you shooting the coach, bro? Come on, bro. Why are they shooting me, bro? Why are they shooting the coach, bro? I don't understand, bro. Alright, here we go. Bro, why are they shooting me, bro? That's like so 2000 and late, bro. Shooting me, bro. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, fella? You're just making me angry, bro. You're just making me angry, bro. Right, doubles?
Yes.
You made me angry, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. This Djibouti pissed me off, bro. Alright. Oh, it's a 1v1, bro. 1v1, bro. Oh, and he's right there, bro. He's right there, bro. Pop your head, bro. Pop your head, buddy. Pop your head, buddy. Oh my God, did you see that, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. That was no bueno, bro. That was not good, bro. Wow, he clocked me, dude. He was dirty with that hunting rifle, son. Son, he wrecked me with that hunting rifle, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Wow, that was dirty, bro. That was some dirty stuff, dude. I hope there's no more stinky bombs, right? This guy is got height, bruh. He's got height, bruh. Where is he, bruh? Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me, bro? Come on, bro. 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 Come on. All right. We're going to take a look at SUNE. Man, bro. Man, bro. What the freak is going on? Doubles, what is this kumbaya, bro?
What?
What is this kumbaya, bro?
Oh, nothing.
Bro, will you stop it?
What?
Bro.
What did I do?
I gotta see what this guy did, man. You're upsetting me, Doubles. You're already starting, bro.
What did I do?
Bro, you're throwing my rhythm off. Look, my 16.1% win ratio, bro. I had a higher ratio. He just eliminated me, bro. And you're kumbayaing me, bro.
You got spank-a-lankin'.
No, I did not get spank-a-lanking. No, I did not. I was a good boy. I was a good boy. I did not. I did my homework. He was cheating, I'm telling you. I saw it. Watch, I'll prove it to you. I'll prove it to you. He was cheating, bro.
Hack-a-lackin'?
He was cheating. He was a hacker. Yeah, for real. Watch, I'll show you, bro. I'll show you.
He was spank-a-lackin'?
Why is this game always not letting me see the replays? I want to see the replay because I want to show you how that creature, that cretin, was cheating and how he took the victory royale out of my grasp. I was trying to bring it in for the Banger Nation and that manipulative little creature. He was horrible, I tell you. Horrible. He was evil. Evil, I tell you. Evil. Anyway, while we're pulling it up, I'm going to talk about Sun Nation. Sun Nation needs to try to do a descending wedge bull reversal. It's below VWAP, so when they're below VWAP doubles, you know, these patterns are less effective. It's got to get above the volume weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. The volume weighted average is right over here at $3.62. The price action needs to get above that. RSI is currently neutral. Volume candles are down, of course, because we still have a solid 41 minutes before the power hour. And we're going to keep an eye to see whether this price action can actually start curling upward and piercing through the volume weighted average of $3.62. It needs volume, I tell you. We could see that it's a 4 million float stock, so so it's on the lower side as far as the float is concerned. As we look at the custom scanners from our private Discord right over here, and you could see that it had quite a bit of volume in the form of 56 million shares, currently up 34%, but it needs volume right now. It needs volume right now, I tell you. Let's go take a look at what's going on. Hopefully some volume will kick in and it'll break the volume weighted average. Our friend Righteousness, I hope you'll get a ton of money and you make a ton of money. I hope you make a lot of money. Where is this creature, man? Yo, this guy gave me problems from jump. Look at this guy. Pango guy. What?
Pangolin guy?
What the heck does that mean, bruh?
It's like another way of saying, it's like a stupid way of saying penguin.
Pangolinguan? What?
It's a dumb way.
Redonkulous. Look at how vicious. Look at the intent. Look at the anger. Look at the movement. How angry is this person? What's wrong with you? I was simply trying to get a victory royale for the Banger Nation. They deserve it. They deserve it. But no, you with your little golf ball behind your back. Your little golf ball behind your back.
It's a soccer ball.
It's not a soccer ball. They say it's a foosball. Look, oh my God, bro. Look at did you see what he did, bro?
Almost doinked you.
Bro, my goodness, bro. That hunting rifle. Look at, oh my God, bro.
Oh Lord, he slapped you.
How did he do that, bro? How did he do that?
He
Nah,
shackalacked you.
no, Doubles. He was cheating, bro.
Woo, you went bing bong.
Bro, he cheated, bro. And then he positioned
Lord.
himself. Look at him. He positioned himself, this evildoer. He positioned himself. Do you see what he did? Look, and he built out of metal. The intent was evil, I tell you. Metal. No, he could have used wood. He could have used brick, but no, he decides to use metal. The evil intent was clear.
Yes, that's not the point.
No, Doubles, it's not the point. I'm trying to get a victory royale for the community, son. For the community, for the Banger Nation. He's supposed to let me win. Huh. You're not supposed to be so sweaty. Get a napkin and clean your brow. Do something.
If he let you
Do
win,
something, I tell you.
Let me ask you a question. If he let you win, would you really be satisfied?
Oh yeah, why not?
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah, I would, bro.
You would.
I would, bro.
You would be.
Bruh. But how is he getting all these shots off, bro?
It would feel like a shot.
Look at this, Doubles. Look at how ornery he was. Look at him. He's pushing up. He's pushing. He's pushing. He's pushing. He's pumping. No! Why do you keep building up? You look at that. Look at the evilness. Look at the intent, bro. Look at the intent, bro. Horrible, I tell you, bro. Look at that. How did he hit me there, bro? How did he hit me there, Doubles? Tell me. Did you see that? He hit me.
I wasn't looking at it.
Wait. Let me replay this portion. You tell me how he got this shot off. Watch. He gets a shot off on me, and I'm like underneath a wall. How did he do it? Watch. Ready? Watch. Ready?
Let me see.
Where is it? Did it already happen? It must have already happened. All right. So he's got height. He's got height. Right, Doubles? What is this guy doing? What is he doing? What are you doing?
I don't know what shot.
Nah, I didn't go back enough. I just hit him over here. Look, I just hit him. All right, now he's hiding. Right? He's hiding. Watch how he gets these shots off, bro. Look, bro. Look. Let me slow this down. He's not even aiming at me, bro. How's he getting? Okay, do you see what I'm saying, bro?
That was weird.
Do you see that?
That
Do you see how he's not even aiming at me and he's hitting me? Let me show you. Let me show you over
you
here.
were way below him.
And he was shooting above me, and that's not aim assist for a controller. That was not normal, dude. I'm telling you. All joking aside, something was not right with this guy's aim.
All joking aside, I'm looking at that.
This guy's aim was like not Not kosher, bro.
Like I could see the first sniper
Wait,
shot.
wait.
I
You're
could
gonna
see
see.
that
I'm
double
gonna. I wanna replay the shot where he takes a shot and hits me while I have a ceiling on top of me, bro. Watch this. Watch. Bobo Beef says disrespectful, dastardly doubles, tango doubles. Yes, I've been saying it for years. Yes, Bobo, you noticed it. Watch this. Watch. Okay, now watch this. How is he hitting me with me having walls up, bro? Right, now watch this. Now I'm going to slow this one down. Right over here, he's going to hit me. I want you to look at my health. He's going to hit me through a wall, bro. Watch. Here I go. I jump, right? I put a wall above me. He's going to take a shot. Look, you see my wall right here, right? How did he just hit me, bro? How did he hit me, bro? I
mean, yeah, like if I have to argue about it.
Because it's pellets from a shotgun?
Yeah, maybe, but.
But what about the shot before that?
Yeah, even then that's
okay.
And even with the shotgun thing, that is a very hard sell.
Okay, right, and then also.
That's a tough story to sell.
Right, and then he just miraculously gets a snipe on me.
Well, you were still underneath the ceiling. So
what about the shot where he took the shot? Where he took the hunting rifle shot. What about that one, bro?
You see the hunting rifle shot?
Yeah, watch this. Watch. Hold on.
See it?
Let me. I'm trying to find it. I gotta find it. It does not look copacetic, bro.
Let me see.
Hold on. Let me speed this up. How's he hitting me, bro?
That one I could see.
Wait. Hold on.
I can see at least one bullet hitting you. Yes. That one was alright.
Okay, hold on. This is gonna be it right here. Let me speed it up a little. Watch. Bobo, what do you think? Hacking or not hacking? Bobo, tell me. I believe you. Whatever you say, I believe. And he's using that Fugazi AR that sucks, and he's still making contact. Nah, I don't believe it, bro. I don't believe it.
I can see one bullet hitting you. That I can see. But like, you know,
yeah, maybe one, right? One.
That's about it.
All right, now watch.
You missed the other shot.
Let me speed this up a little. Okay. Okay, now watch. I'm falling down. He's shooting below me, but he hit me, bro. See that? Joe ever said, "Are you Jewish, my brother?" No, Italian, bro. Italian. The other corporation, bro. Joe.
Corporation,
Different division, bro. New York. Former New Yorker, but now I'm a Floridian, bro. I'm proud about it too, bro. Proud about the sunshine. I love me some sunshine. Joab said, "What's up, Bobo? What's up, bro?" All right. Let's say there was a reason for that shot. Let's say there was, okay? Bobo says there are three possibilities. First, he's shooting musket balls which float rather than go in straight lines. Second, he's magic. Or third, he's a dirty, stinking hacker. Facts, bro. Now watch this shot. Watch this, bro. Watch this. Now he's gonna take a shot. He takes two or three shots with the hunting rifle. Yep, and it's not yet. He's gonna be towards here. I don't want to waste too much time. Hold on. Please hold. Hold on. All right, now, watch. Oh, not yet. Let's go. Come on, you rotten scoundrel. Come on. All right, here we go. This is gonna be it right here. Doubles. Come on already. Come on, bro. Alright, I'm gonna take a shot at him over here, right? Okay. Alright. Watch. I'm gonna lean towards hacker, Bobo. Alright. So I'm here. Alright, I'm gonna slow it down. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Tell me, I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Okay? If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Okay, he just missed me. That was a close shot.
And then you'll go into the second one.
Yeah. I shoot at him. Joab is. Oh, whoa. Hold on, Joab. Hold on, brother. Hold on. Did you see that? Was it a clean hit?
It was a hit.
I missed it because I was reading the text. Hold on. Please hold. Please hold. Joab's like biblical, right, bro? That's a biblical name, right?
No, nice.
Oh, no, he got me, bro. On that one, he got me.
That one he definitely
He got me, bro. But the other ones,
the
dude.
Shotgun shell, that's a very tough sell.
Right? Right?
The other couple of shots were pretty weird.
Right? I thought so.
That snipe was spot on.
Right. No, that shot was legit. It was legit. Now watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Tell me if this is copacetic or not copacetic. Come on, evildoer. All right, here we go. Here he comes. All right, here I come, making my way through the storm. I don't know that song, but I'm trying to sing it. All right, now watch this, guys. Come on. I'm not gonna play the whole thing. Oh, he had a crown too. This fool had a crown. Come on, bruh. Fugazi, bro. Watch this. Watch this shot. Watch this, bro. Watch. How did he hit me, bro? How did he hit me? I had walls up. How did he hit me?
That man had a split second.
But the one that really is questionable is this one, bro. Watch. He didn't. His pellets didn't even go in, bro.
Like part of them hit the side and the other
right.
part, like, went
And
down.
he took all my health from me, bro.
And he took your
right.
Which makes no sense because you weren't there.
No, absolutely not.
Absolutely
not,
the worst
bro.
part about it is shotgun shells are not very consistent. So.
No, they're not. And he took like, I don't know, 40, 50 health off of me.
Took a nice
But then and then what about this, bro? What about this? Watch. He's gonna go over here to build, right? Look. All right, now I'm gonna end up hitting him a couple of times over here, right? I get a couple of shots off on him, right? I noticed him a little late, unfortunately. I'm gonna hit him right here. See? Okay, now watch this. All right, he uses the hunting rifle to break me down. Okay, fine, that's fine. But now watch this. Watch. Look at that. Now look at where his reticle is, bro. And look, he's shooting through the wall, and I'm still getting hit. How?
Shot your wall. And how does that work?
Right. How did I lose all that health, bro? How did I lose all that health, bro?
Lose all that health with like
shots into the wall, bro? Come on, bro. Look, he's shooting at the ground, and I'm still getting hit. Get out of here, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, I'm gonna report this guy because he was definitely hacking, bro. This guy was hacking, bro. He was hacking. I don't wanna say nothing, but he was hacking, bro. When you're hacking, you're hacking, right? When you're hacking, you're hacking, and you just gotta admit it. You gotta admit it. Well, how do I report him? What do I do?
That was shady.
What do I do to report him, Doubles? How do I report
You
him?
have to put his name, his little friend.
What's his name? Fool?
Pangolin
Pangolin guy.
1, 2, 3.
You gonna remember that, bro? That's a weird name, bro.
Pangolin guy. Yeah, I got it.
You got it? All right. Let's report this fool. What do I do over here?
Yep. Pango.
Pangolin guy 1, 2, 3. This is him.
Right click him.
Right. Report him.
Yeah.
Aimbot, bro. Hacking, right?
Yeah.
Right. NASA, what's up? How you doing, baby? What's going on? How's Fortnite treating you? Hacking, aimbot, and aimbot. Aimbot.
Yeah, no, bro, actually.
And he's stinky. Should I put he's stinky? No.
Just send
I'm just asking for a friend, bro.
Yeah, just send it.
Continue. Accept. That's that.
Just send it. Yeah.
That's it. I'm just gonna send it.
Yeah.
All right, let's go back to the lobby.
That was shady.
That was shady, right?
That was
Everybody, you guys agree that was a little shady?
Like,
Oh, what happened to my game, bro?
it crashed.
My game crashed, bro. See? Every time they hack, you ever notice that the game crashes?
Oh yeah, that's.
Have you noticed that?
Yeah, actually.
Every time that I feel like somebody's hacking, the game crashes. You see that? This happened once before. You remember that, right, Doubles?
I remember it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure this guy was hacking, bro. I'm pretty sure he was. Let me reboot. Let me
That's
reboot.
weird.
NASA said I'm doing good. Just about to play Roblox with Bree and Seven and Key. Let's go Roblox. Let's go, bro. I've never played Roblox. I don't know anything about it. I know it's a popular game. I hope you have a lot of fun. A lot of fun with it, bro. Hope you have a lot of fun with it. Huh. All right, I'm loading up. I'm loading up. While I'm loading up, let's take a look at some other stocks, Doubles. Let's take a look at ticker symbol P. Blah, blah, blah. Which one? PLBL. Let's take a look at PLBL. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. PLBL. All right, there we go. Bada bingo. All right, this is Singapore stock. No, Indonesia. It's formed a cup and handle pattern, guys. A cup and handle pattern on light volume. Here's your cup. There's your handle. Theoretically, it should go this way, but it's moving on very light volume. We can see it's a 6 million float stock on the custom scanners that we're sharing with you from the private Discord. Moving on very light volume of 1 million volume, so 6 million float, 1 million volume, very low, up 35%. RSI is drifting upward, which is a bullish signal, and there still seems to be volume ever so slightly, but it is in there. I don't know. It doesn't really do it for me, Doubles. It does not do it for me. Let's go to GMM. Let's go to GMM. And it is still dealing with that head and shoulders collapse that happened earlier, and it's still consolidating below the VWAP. So, like that, Doubles, like that. How about JZXN? JZXN. And it had a double top. You could see it double topped over here. The price action crashed. Now it's consolidating below the VWAP. It needs to get above 245, $2.46 to be proper. RSI is still neutral. We need to see it start pulling upward. That's what we need, Doubles. We need that. And that's another China stock. PMA. Let's take a look at it. And it's below the Fibonacci level of $1.70. It has to get above the $1.70. It was above the VWAP. It's still technically kind of sort of above the VWAP. You could see that the RSI is neutral. There's a lack of volume over here. We'll see what happens. I don't know, Doubles. I don't know. It had a pretty decent rotation, 24 million volume to float rotation. We could see that right over here on the custom scanners, but I don't know. What have you done for me lately is the vibe I'm getting, Doubles. Let's go to SNAL. Let's go check it out. And it continues to trend upward. Let's get some specifics on it. It is a 3 million float stock, and now it is up to 3 million volume. It was much lower than that. It is pushing up. I don't see any news for it. It's a $5.72 stock, currently up 46%. We'll keep an eye on it. It doesn't have the volume, but it is moving, so we will keep an eye on it. One of the things that I find kind of disturbing, however, is that the price action did push quite aggressively over here and then reversed just as aggressively, and I don't like that. But the RSI is pushing upward, and we do see some volume candles forming here on the latter candle rotation for SNAL. So Joab, yes, Joab is a biblical name, and regalado, I think in Italian, regalado means gifted. Gifted. Did you know that? I don't know what it means in Spanish, but regalo is gift, and regalado means to gift something. Did you know that, Joab? Did you know that? Let me know in the chat if you knew that, my brother. Let me know if you know. Let me know. All right, I'm gonna try to get a dub, bro. I'm so annoyed, bro. You know me. I don't mind losing. I'm a humble person when it comes to losing, but I don't like to lose to cheaters. And they all cheat every time I lose. All of them do. They all did. You did, brother. Is it the same thing in Spanish, bro? Is regalado gifted in Spanish? I'm pretty sure it is, because they come from the same Latin root. Regalo. Regalado, regalo. In Italian, it would be regalado. That's how you would say it in Italian. I think in Spanish is regalado, regalado, like that, with the more emphasis on the do, the last part, right? It's very subtle. They sound almost exactly the same. I'm not sure if the spelling is the same, but they sound the same, and the spelling, if it's not exactly the same, it looks very similar. I don't know how to write in Italian. I actually learned Spanish though, so I kind of remember writing in Spanish. You know that? I studied Spanish for quite a while. I used to get like 90s and stuff, bro. I got like really good marks when I was in school with Spanish. Joab said I did. It's originally from Spain. Exactly yes. He said exactly yes. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's get that victory royale, Joab. We ain't gonna let no cheater bring us down.
Then again, I kind of had the big brain idea of letting my teachers think that I didn't know how to speak Spanish, so that way I could speak Spanish last year.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you learn French. I don't know French. I want to get my A.
Yeah, you don't want to. I don't know. There's not that much French being spoken here. In Canada, there's a lot of French.
Yes.
But not in the U.S. The U.S. It's English, and then after English, it's Spanish, bro.
You wanna know what's after Spanish?
Huh?
You wanna know what's after Spanish?
What's after Spanish? Chinese, bro? For real?
I'm not joking.
Well, I don't know any Chinese. Wait. How do you say thank you? Chin chin? No.
No.
In Chinese, bro.
Chinese?
What Chinese words? I know you knew a couple of Chinese words, bro.
I know. I learned them from some friends of mine.
What? So give me one, bro. Give me a Chinese word so I could say it for our Chinese people out there, our Chinese audience, bro.
Well, which type of Chinese you want?
Something clean, bro. Something nice.
Is it Mandarin? Is it simple?
I don't know, bro. You're asking too many questions, doubles.
Traditional?
Woo! I'm gonna get this guy, bro.
I mean, I guess
Parabolics. Bye-bye, fool. Oh, you know what? I didn't even put a Sprite on, bro.
it is.
I know, but this is a garbage Sprite, bro. Garbage Sprite, bro.
Sprite.
I know. GG? GG? GG?
Yeah,
GG, bro. GG. Everybody, GG. How did I do, bro? How did I do?
It's Zhizhi.
All right, I gotta concentrate. I gotta get a victory royale. Leave me alone. I don't want to learn Chinese right now. I don't want to learn it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want to learn Chinese. Leave me alone. You'll speak Japanese. All right, give me some Japanese words so we can say it for. What? Come on, bro. Something that I can actually understand, bro.
I want to say thank you in Japanese.
Thank you in Japanese. Go ahead. Arigato. Arigato. Yeah. What was the rest of it, bro? Bajuba jabba jabba. Jabba juba jabba juba jabba. Jabba juba jabba. Whatever you said, Doubles. Whatever you said, bro. Whatever you say, bro.
We didn't offend anybody.
I don't know. I don't know what the heck you were talking about, bro. To be honest with you. Arigato. I got the arigato. I don't want no gato right now, bro.
No, gato's.
I don't need a gato, bro.
Yo, no, that's Spanish, you think.
Bro, I don't need no gato. No, I don't need no gato,
You're
bro.
not talking about cats.
I'm not cooking no cats, bro.
What?
What, bro? What are you doing, bro?
What?
Yo, I got an emo, bro. I got an emo. Leave me alone, bro.
Wait.
Leave me alone, bro.
He said gato. Gato means cat.
Yeah, in Spanish, bro. And you're like upsetting me, bro. Look, I'm just trying to play my piano, bro. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. You're bullying me, bro. You're bullying me.
I am bullying you.
Why? Why?
Ask me. How do you say? I'm like, do you want to know how to say it? Yeah, say yes. There you go. Arigatou gozaimashita.
Doubles. You stress me, bro. You really do. Arigato de gato. Arigato de gato. Ni hao.
Ni hao means hi.
In what?
In Chinese.
Why? How did we get back to Chinese? I'm talking about Japanese.
Well, there's Bobo Beebs.
Bobo Beebs. What's up? What's happening?
Bobo Chinese.
Bobo, what's up? What's up, Bobo? What's going on, fella?
Yeah.
You gotta love our peoples, bro. Our people are awesome,
Almost
bro.
looking at, and there's probably some Chinese, Japanese guys looking at us like, what the heck is wrong?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. You know I can be problematic at times, Doubles. You know these things. Somebody was here, bro. We truly just playing around. We just having some fun. So Chinese and Nihon in Chinese is what?
Not
Ni hao. Ni hao. You have to say like a Chinese person, bro.
No, no.
Ni hao.
That's it.
Bro.
You ain't gotta make it fancy.
Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Ni ha. Ni ha. Ni ho ho. Ni ho. Ni ha.
No, not Nihon. Nihon is how you say Japan in Japanese.
Go home.
Cornholio. What?
I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro.
This guy.
Look at that, the mystical rifle, the
You
mystical.
don't take that mystical rifle out.
I'm taking this, bro. All right, I'll take it. But I'm gonna dump it later on. I'm telling you right now. 'Cause I don't like it, bro. It's not my cup of tea, bro. It's not what I rock, bro. You know that. You know I'm a pistoli and whatever kind of guy, bro. Pistoli and a shotgun. You know that's how I roll, bro. You know that's how I roll, double. You know that. Oh my, oh my. Alright. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere, I tell you. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Where did that guy go? Alright, let me get this guy. I elevated this guy a little bit, bro. I elevated him, bro. I elevated him. Ooh-wee. Oh, no, not that way. This way. Ooh-wee. Alright, here we go, doubles. Here we go. Bro, what is going on with the storm, dude? He knows, bro. If you know, you know. It's Bobo, bro. It's Bobo money. Bobo money. Yep. For real, bro. Alright, we're good, bro. We're good. Let me get some.
Konnichiwa. He says.
Konnichiwa? That's Chinese. That's Japanese, right? That means thank you, right? What's Konnichiwa? Hello? Hello? Whoa, no. Come on now. Oh my goodness. I was a little out of control right there, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Right? Holy Toledo, bro. Holy Toledo.
He goes from Chinese back to Japanese.
No, Bobo knows what's up, bro. He is, bro. Bobo understands. He's understanding. He gets it. He understands it. Yo, they got rid of the stink rifle, bro. Thank God, bro. That thing was horrible. I was not a fan of that, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. No, not good for me, because they kept on doing stinky things, bro. They were doing... I'm not happy about that rifle, bro. I'm glad they got rid of it. It was a bad rifle.
People trying to build up. Oh, okay. Bing.
Well, you see, I like to build, bro. They call me a builder, bro. They call me Bob the Builder, bro. The Builder, Bob. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder, bro.
We don't like the bears. We like the bulls.
No, we like bulls, bro.
Alright, so we gotta build the bulls.
We're all about the bulls, bro.
Build the bulls.
All about the bulls, bro. All about them. Alright, how much dust did I get, bro? How much dust did I get? 1,300. Why they being cheap with the dust, bro? What is going on? What's going on, Doubles? What is going on? Why are they being cheap with the dust, bro? Alright, here we go. There's a blue chest up here, bro. I want me something good. Give me something good. Ooh, pistola. I like it, bro. I like it. Let's go. Alright, let's move, Doubles. Let's move. This storm is being redonkulous, bro. It's being redonkulous, bro. Doubles, you're not paying attention to the storm. And I always have problems when that happens because I end up getting eliminated to the storm. You know, Doubles? Why don't you, like, pay attention? You're supposed to be my coach here. You're supposed to be coaching me. You're supposed to coach the coach. You know what I mean? Coach the coach. Yes. Coach me. Coach the coach, papi chulito. Papi chuleta. Chuleta. Popping. Popping. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Is that all I can do? Hold on. One more. No more? No mas? No mas. I got my little thingamajig over here, bro. My little thingamajabba. My little thingamajabba, bro. Whoa! Damage. Holy. Alright, look at that. See how I did that? Doubles. I tell you. Man, what is up with the storm, dude? This storm is so freaking annoying, bro. Alright. Poke chop. Chew that up. Poke chop. Poke chop. Come on. Come on! Give me some heals. There we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Doubles. Doubles. Double X, bro. What's up, bro? What's up? I want to get my jabooties, bro. Can I get my jabooties, bro? Can I? Let's get the jabooties. Where they at? Where they at? They're in here, right? Jabooties. I want my jabooties. Doubles. I want my jabooties. I want them and I need them. Alright. Let's pop this little sucker over here. I'm gonna get myself a chuggy, but not yet. Alright, get another med kit. Alright, I need these boots, bro. I gotta get out of here, man. I gotta go, bro. I gotta go, bro. I'm trying to go, bro. Bro. Alright, I'm out at 5,000, bro. I'm out at 5,000, bro. There's too much going on over there. I'm gonna go over here, bro. This place seems like it's a little bit more peaceful. A little bit more tranquilo. A little tranquilo, papi chulito. Alright, hold on, bro. Hold on. We gotta do something with these weapons, bro. 1, 2, 3. Get the pistol up there. 1. Right. Doubles. Hold on, bro. Alright. Which one? Why? Really? Are you sure? I don't think so, but okay, well, I'll go in. I'm gonna take damage because you told me to.
I did not tell you to go back.
Alright, let's see if you're right. I don't think so. No, you're wrong. Thanks a lot, Doubles. Appreciate it. Thanks for the damage. Doubles. Thanks for the damage, Doubles. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Alright, why do I listen to you? You're trying to sabotage me. Guys, you're sabotaging me. Yo, why are you sabotaging me? Why? Why?
All I'm saying is...
Hey, you know what? You know what? We got 8 minutes before the power hour.
7 minutes, actually.
Is it 7 minutes now? Is it really?
7.
7.
Yes, 10 minus 3 is 7, yes.
Alright, I gotta get myself a med kit now. I gotta get myself healthy because you made me go, oh no. I'm going over here and fighting this guy, I guess. I guess I'm gonna fight him, bro. I know, and I'm getting the hell out of Dodge, bro. I'm gonna get out of here, bro.
Yeah, that doesn't make it right there.
Doubles, leave me alone.
Why?
You bothering me, son.
I told you to get a med kit.
You're bothering me. Auto, bro. I'm getting myself an auto, bro. I got myself a little whip, bro. Whip. We gonna whip it. We gonna whip it good. We gonna whip the whip. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Let's go, Doubles. We gonna whip it. Whip it, Doubles. Whip it. Oh, look at the tranquility bubble, Doubles. Look, there's a tranquility bubble over there. The bubble. The bubble. Bubble. Oh man, there's like a bunch of fighting going on over here. But there's loot! Lusciousness!
This golden sprite is so cute!
Lusciousness, bro. No, this is like endgame, bro. I gotta get locked and loaded here, bro. I got to get locked and loaded, bro. I got to. I still got benzene too, bro. Oh, look, what is this? What is all this? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my God, look at what's going on over there, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at that battle royale going on over there, bro. You see it, Doubles? Did you see that battle royale? Oh my, bro. I'm like gonna be calculating. I'm gonna be calculating, Doubles. I'm gonna be like very methodical. There's like 3. Ooh, look at this enemy right there. You see him, bro? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, there's an enemy right near me, Doubles. Right near me. Did you see him, bro? Did you see him? Did you see the evildoer? He was right behind me. He was on my beehive, bro. He was on my beehive, son. Alright, let's get in. Let's get in, Doubles. Let's just get into the zone. Let's get into the zone, Doubles. Let's just get into the zone. Ooh, look at that. That looks good, bro. Oh, I lost juice over here, bro. What happened? What happened? What happened? Josie. Alright. Let's do it, Doubles. Let's get out of here, bro. Oh, what the heck is this, bro? Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at that, bro. All right, Doubles. How you doing? How you doing, Doubles? How you doing? 1v1. Oh, there's an enemy right there, bro. Look at that. There's an enemy right there, bro. You dead. You dead. Woo, baby. Let's go, where you at, fella? This guy's healing, bro. Alright, alright. 24 blue, bro. 24 blue, bro. Where's he at, bro? Right there, bro. Alright, let's heal. Where's he at, bruh? Where is this guy? Where is this guy, bro? Where is he, bro? All right. Where you at, fella? Where you at, fella? All right. Where is this guy, bro? Come on, bro. All right, where you at, buddy? Why you keep hiding, bro? Constantly shooting me in the back, bro. Bada bingo! Bada bingo! You stinky, stinky fella! You stinky, stinky, bro! Here's some money for you. Get some lessons, cause you suck at Fortnite, bro. You suck, bro! Succotash! I got some at Walmart on discount in the frozen food section with the llama beans, bro. The llama beans! Huh! Trying to steal a victory royale. Huh! Maybe you should use a hack like the previous culprit. But nah! Nah! We got the W! Joab, we got the W! And of course, we gotta have the replay to see it from the loser's perspective. Let's do it. Bubba says, Victor Romeo for the Banger Nation. Let's go back and celebrate. Celebrate tonight. Come on. Da 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 da. Celebrate tonight. Ba da. Da, 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 da.
Good times, not good night. Tonight.
Be quiet, Doubles. Be quiet. You bothering my rhythm, bro. You bothering my rhythm, son.
You gotta sing the song.
Joab said, "Hey, coach, what's your thoughts on the Bible?" I read it, bro. I read it. The Bible is awesome, man. It is historical, and it is religious, bro. And you could learn from it, brother. So I read it, bro. I believe in it. I believe in it. I believe in it. I believe in it, bro. Because at the end of the day, it's all about being good, right? Being good and kind-hearted, right? Now we all slip. We all slip.
But are you looking at me?
Yeah, we all slip, Doubles.
Why are you looking at me?
We all slip, dastardly. We all slip.
What did I do?
But we try to do our best, you know, and that's all you could do is to do your best. What's your thoughts on it, my brother?
If anything,
Tell me.
It's a sin for you to sing "Celebrate Good Times" the wrong way.
Come on, Doubles, leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. I gotta analyze it from the loser's perspective. Look, we got our win ratio back to 16.5%. I want it to be 20%, guys. That's my goal. 20% minimum. Look at this, bro. Top 25%, 82.7%. Top 10%, 75.6%. I got to get these numbers up. They're not good enough. I want them higher. I want to go higher. We got 4 minutes into the power hour, Doubles. 4 minutes into power hour. And what's moving? GMM is moving. Let's take a look at some of these stocks. GMM, and then we will rejoice in the victory royale for the community. Joab says, Jesus Christ is King. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Amen. Amen. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. SNAL. Let's go. Still trending upward, pulling down. Looks like it's forming a head and shoulders pattern right over here. We'll see what happens with it. Moving on relatively light volume. It is a 3 million float stock, 5 million volume. The volume has gone up, though. It has gone up. It was lower than that. I don't see any reason for the stock to be going up. I don't see any news on it, but we will see. We will see. All right, let's get to the replay. Let's look at it from the loser's perspective. The poor fella. Yo, he kept hiding, bro. Kept shooting me in the back, bro. How dastardly was he, bro? Dastardly, bro. Dastardly, I tell you. Nah, that was wrong, bro. That was wrong. No, I want some bubblegum, bro. I want me some Bubblicious, bro. I bought a nice big bag of Bubblicious for the familia.
Yeah, pass me some.
I did. Here's one for y'all. Here's one for me. And if I could give it to you guys on stream, I'd give it to you. We got 800 folks on the stream right now. Let's go, baby. Let's share it up. Let's get to 900, 1,000. And then we'll review some stocks after we review the Victory Royale, the Victor Romeo, from the loser's perspective. We always do that. Poor fella. Poor fella. Ha! Ha! Bubble, this is delicious, bro. Yummy!
Yummy!
Yummy! All right, here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Let's get from the loser's perspective. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look. Bro! He was John Wick, bro. Bro! John Wick was trying to bait me, bro. Hold on. Please hold. Where is he? I want to start from the beginning, bro. Look. Look. Alright, that's his elimination right there. He eliminated that fella. Alright, let's speed this up. Oh, this guy had a hunting rifle too, bro. You gotta use it, bro. You gotta use it not to lose it, brother. Ooh, he hit this guy, bro. Look at, oh my god. Oh my goodness, bro. Alright. Am I attacking him at this point? Maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, Doubles. Am I attacking him? That Bubblicious is good. Delicious, bro. Oh my god. So good. So good. Bubblicious.
You're doing it a little too much.
Woo! I heard him, bro. I heard him. I heard his spirit. I heard his soul, I tell you. Look at how he's hiding, bro. Look. Look, bro. Look. Cowardly. John Wick would never be a coward like that. Never. No. Why are you hiding? Why are you playing hide and go seek? Ring around the rosy. Ring around the tree trunk. What are you doing? Fight me, fool. Fight me. Nah. Instead, you're going to shoot me in the back, right? Come on now. Come on now, you dastardly fool. Come on, you dastardly fool. Where you at? Where you at? Look. Look at this dastardly fool. Look at him, bro. Look. He didn't like taking high ground. What happened, bro? What happened? What happened, Doubles? What happened, bro? He's just hanging out, waiting, loitering, lingering, you know? Look. Shoot me in the back. Shot me in the back, Doubles. Shot me in the back, Doubles. Look at this fool. Look at this fool, bro. Look. What happens? When he faces me face to face, what happens? I cook him. I cook him like a goose. Goose, I tell you. Goose. Couscous with goose. Huh. Little couscous with goose, bro. Yeah, you better pop that med kit, bro. You better pop it, because I got ill intent against you. I got to get a victory royale for the Bang of the Nation. Huh. Hiding. He's still hiding. Look, fellas. I got to, like, speed this up, because he's boring, bro. This guy's boring, bro. Look, he shoots me in the back again. Look at that, Doubles. Look. With his little burst rifle, bro, and his little booties. Look at his booties, bro. Look at how cute he is in his little booties. Oh, he's got nunchucks, bro. He's trying to be Bruce Lee, bro. Bro, he's got nunchucks, bro. Bro, look at the nunchucks. And you got yourself eliminated, bro. You a disciple of Bruce Lee. You claim to be a disciple of Bruce Lee and John Wick, and you got eliminated, and you got eliminated in such an embarrassing fashion. Come on now. Put them nunchucks away. You cannot represent the way of Wing Chun. Wing Chun, I tell you. Come on. Wing Chun! Yeah, that's what Bruce Lee studied, bro. Wing Chun. I was one of them. Look, look, oh my God, look at the ill intent, bro. Look at the ill intent. My goodness, did you see what he did, bro? He shot me in the back again, bro. Bro, this guy was out of control with the shots to the back, bro.
Actual matchup.
Right? Every single freaking time, bro. Oh, what happened? You went into the storm? Oh, poor fella. What happened? What happened? You overshot yourself? Oh. Get your booties on, bro. Get your booties on, bro. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? I got height on you, bro. I got height on you.
Oh.
I got height on you.
Oh.
I laugh at you. Ha! Goonie Google. Yeah, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Keep loitering. Keep loitering. Go ahead. What? 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 I gotta slow it down because he's gonna get eliminated pretty soon, bro. Oh, pop your med kit. Go ahead. Pop it, bro. Pop it. Pop it, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead. Fake Bruce Lee. Fake John Wick. Look at him. Still shooting me in the back, bro. Doing a choppy, bro. Oh! He wasn't ready! Oh my gracious! Oh my! Oh my! Poor fella! Oh my! Oh, so sad. Give me that crown, fella. The indelible tribe triumphant again with a victory royale for the community. Now to the stocks doubles. Now to the stocks. Now we can talk about stocks doubles. We are officially in Power Hour, 2 hours and 11 minutes. And we can see that SNAL failed. SNAL failed to hold up above the VWAP. It failed to hold up above the VWAP. Let's take a look at GMM. GMM. And GMM. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. What's going on with this ticker? What's going on? What is going on here? Oh, yeah, this ticker's not doing well at all. It had the head and shoulders bear pattern, and it still has not gotten over the VWAP of $3.87. So no. How about JZXN? This stock ran for quite a while, so I don't know if it's going to be able to resuscitate itself. It needs to get above $2.45, currently below the VWAP, so not particularly schmexy either. NVVE, let's take a look at it, and it pumped. And it looks like it's going to continue to dump. We don't like that, doubles. We don't like that. It needs to break this downtrend. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. AARD moving. AARD. This is new to the scanner, but it's a heavy floated stock at 14 million and only 642,000 shares. It is currently up 37%, moving on light volume, and we can see that the RSI is kind of overbought, which suggests a reversal wouldn't be out of the question. It would not be out of the question. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I know we've been talking about stuff and having a good time. I hope you got a little bit of an education from the stuff that I was teaching. I hope you got a bunch of laughs from my corny jokes. I hope you did. I hope you did. I hope you had an amazing week. I hope you had an amazing week, guys. Hope you made a lot of money. Right? Hope you made a lot of money. And quick thing before we wrap up, if you've been watching and you're serious about small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it is full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list. You'll see the 24/7 market news flow, pre-market scanners, after-hours scanners, float volume catalyst context built right in, and you'll see our ticker tape built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. This isn't noise, it's structure. If that's how you want to approach the market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comments. And when you come in, let us know you saw us on the stream. We love hearing that. We also have a limited time offer special for people that want to save a couple of dollars. They can grab the 3-month quarterly package that bills every 3 months, and it'll give you a nice discount. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment for that. And of course, if you want any kind of swag, any kind of merch, you want hoodies, lids, t-shirts, mugs, you name it, we got it in the merch store. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment for those items as well. Want y'all to know that you're absolutely amazing. We love you very much. You make this possible, and we hope that we make your day better and better and better. We want you to be inspirational to others. Why not? It doesn't cost anything. It feels awesome. Making money and having a good time with other people is incredible. It's an incredible feeling for you, incredible feeling for them. We call y'all Undelables because we want you to leave your mark, and we want your mark to be unerasable, aka indelibles, baby, indelibles, right? I hope you guys achieve your biggest dreams and aspirations. We love you very much. We will be on again tomorrow for the weekend edition of Power Play at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Set your notifications on YouTube at CoachNickMoney. At Coach Money, so you don't never miss a show. And that's it, Doubles. We love you very much. Doubles, we love them very much. Have a fantastic